What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Toe. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I am so happy. I think we're at 940 right now. My goals is finally like getting there, and this is where I want it to be. And then once we hit 1K, 1,000, then it's 10K. Then after 10K, it's a 100K. 100K, 1 million. You know, big things, big things. You know, you gotta keep pushing. After you get to a point or accomplishment, that doesn't mean you should stop. Like, we gotta keep going. I've been bored, I haven't been doing nothing, so I just came up with a video idea. Oh yeah, that I left, huh? Woo wee! Woo, I almost fell. There we go. I'm gonna teach y'all some knowledge, some YouTube knowledge. How to make a thumbnail. Well, how I make thumbnails. Like, you seen the ones from previous videos. I make all my thumbnails. I've been getting better at it from day to day. You know, each video getting better and just making creative thumbnails. So what I use is an app called Superimpose X. Right here, you see the middle one right here? Superimpose X. You see Fonto? These are the two apps I use. This is for the title. This is for the thumbnail maker. So, I'm about to screen record right now. You can see that all the thumbnails are in here. You see that I make most of the thumbnails. Made all of these thumbnails like this. Like you see, simple, you know, beach photo. You want to make it 16 by 9. 16 by 9 is the YouTube you know, thumbnail thing. So you gotta choose 16 by 9. So choose that. And here's the base of the picture. So there you can do different things. You can add effects to it, motion blur. This is motion blur. This is what I use for base. This is what I do. I do this, then add a picture over it. So, like, this could be the base right here. Make it a little bit blurry, just like that. See how cool that is, you know? This is the picture. I'm just playing around. I'm just having fun with it. So you guys can take it for like an example. So, you know, like this photo. Just say yes, fix it. You know how it's over the picture like this? You have to, if you want to do a pic, if you want to have the person out of it, like get a person out of it, you're gonna have to crop it. So that's mask, then mask tool, and you press the top left one right here. If you want to blend it, you would have to zoom all the way in and go to layers, and the blend is right here. And you can like play with it a little bit, you know? Look at that. Like, you know, just play around with the app, find out what you like to do. But in this case, we're not gonna do a blend, so we're gonna keep the picture. To get the person out, what I said, mask tool, mask tool, in the top left. So, and then this is when you zoom in on the person. So if you want to do like my friend Kyle, you're right there, or my friend Evan. I'm gonna do Evan because it's like more, you know. So you can zoom all the way in on this stuff. Alright, but start where you want. Like you can start right here. And this is how you crop all of it out. Crop the rest of the picture out. Boom. Just like that. That's how I do it. Spitting some knowledge for y'all. This is how I make my thumbnails for every video. I'm gonna skip to when I'm done outlining. Alright y'all, I finished outlining them, as you can see. not the best, but you know. Then you press this check mark right here. You see that? Boom, boom. Got him out of the whole picture. You see that? Boom. You can put him like anywhere else and stuff. So I'll put it like right here. And this is like, I'm just having fun with it. So just so you guys get a good idea of it. And I can like add myself in it. I guess I'll add this picture. Yeah. Check mark. Look at that, I'm in it. This thumbnail doesn't make sense, but you know, just like that. And you can like flip it. Oops. Flip. 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 Just like that. That's how I do it. Yeah. And then you can add like a background, for example, this one. If you want to get like a blend, like for color, you know. Or you can get like a, see how the background is like that. Things, more things, but you know, I'm like intermediate, not professional, but into outline. Like to put the person over, like you know how they do the white lines, that's how you do it. So you go to editor, tools, then mask outline, and that puts the white thing over it. Just like that. Just like for me. Mask outline. Boom. And you can do a double outline too if you wanted to. Like this. Like black. What's the black? See? If you want. But you know. And then we can like fix them. Hey. We're gonna continue. You know, I finished it kind of like that. Yeah, I'm screen recording it. So now that we saved it, we're gonna move on to Fonto. And you can also add a filter on this app if you wanted to. So first thing you do, press the camera and get your image. You can choose a filter, but you don't want to do that, you know, just keep it normal. And then, you know, click on it, and you can add a text like, at the beach, beach day, beach, beach day. If you have words like that are a little bit, you should like, make it separate, because you can do things for each one, like tilt it, tilt that thing, make the size bigger, you know. Beach day, make the size a little bigger too. Beach day. And the style, you can make it any color you want, but you kind of prefer white, because you know. And then the stroke, second thing, which is like an outline over the word. So, boop, just like that. And you can adjust the width, make it big or small. I'll put it like right here, and in the background, you can do that. Choose the color and the style. Boop, boop. You can make a shadow, and then you can like make it bigger, you know, play with it. This is an example, you feel me? And same thing for this word. Stroke, width, background. but that's how I make my thumbnails. So it's not the best. I could have done better, but I hope y'all get an example from this, so we can, like, you know, if you guys making YouTube videos, you can download Superimpose X. It's like $4.99 or $5.99, one of those prices. It's a good investment. But that's how you make a thumbnail. Hope y'all enjoyed my video, and like, comment, subscribe, and give me ideas what I should be doing, because I need some ideas. Boy, I need some ideas so I can post more. But I love y'all, and almost at 1,000, and I'm very thankful for you guys, and I'm gonna keep grinding and keep doing what I do for you. Yeah, you, one of you Tolkien's part of the family. I love you from the bottom of my heart. All right, y'all.